Hello, chat. Welcome to the new stream. I hope we are live now. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the new stream. I hope we are, yes, we are live now. Let the botrix join the stream, guys. I'm waiting for that. I have to restart it again, I guess, because it has not joined the chat yet. Okay, we will. Guys, just give me a minute, okay? I have to restart this. To restart this. To restart this. Okay, there is a problem with today's chat, I guess. Then it is taking time to join. It's okay. I will be not able to see your chats on the screen. It will not pop out. I'll just manage by seeing YouTube. Okay. Okay, tomorrow our college is going to reopen for a new semester. So as usual, we are going late. 1 week late. We'll be late. That's okay. We will continue. Let the people join. We will just continue now. So yesterday we left our stream here itself, right? Due to some issues. Yes, Botrix has joined. Successfully, Botrix has joined the chat. I'll come to the stream. Yes, now it's working. So yesterday chat, we left a question. No, we left a chat here itself due to the power cutoff. So I solved this. I solved it afterwards. So I have to go with this question once again because what I did was yesterday I I found out the solution till like 80% solution. Like the what we can say is I till here I figured it out, but I was unable to figure this out. He made the set here. So the question is, we have to place our knight. So how many places, in how many position we can place our knight so that we can uh, attack both king and queen at the same time. So how many position are there? So it can be placed in any one of those, and how many positions that are there so that we can attack both of them. So this was the answer for it. So first we have to calculate. uh, First what we did, we took all the position from king, we took all the 8 position from here, and from queen we take all the position from here, and both the position, in both the position, whichever is present in common for both of them, we took them as the common position, like number of positions for the knight that we can place there. So we took a comma a and minus a comma a and b comma b and minus b comma b, because a comma b can be present, a comma minus b can be present, minus a comma b minus a comma b, b comma a, b comma minus a minus b comma a and minus b comma minus a can be present at any time. So there will be 8 positions where knight can attack one either king or queen, right? It can be, there can be 8 position, it will be where we can attack king, and there will be 8 position other position that where we can attack queen. So now from king position we will calculate all the position, all the 8 position where knight can be placed. So it can be, so these are the x coordinates and these will be the y coordinates, and we will, the distance from king's position plus these positions where the knight can move in x direction and also the y direction, we are making it as a set, no set, inside set we are making it as pair and we are adding it. And then, by the way, this is the previous yesterday's question. And same for queen, it goes, we are adding the x position here and y position and making it as a pair and inserting inside the queen where queen's position can be attacked. And if both of them are if any one of them are present in common for both of them, so we can just count it and then print the count. So even if I did not, even if I done my English is worst, even if I did by myself, I would have took like 2 or 3 hours for this. It was good that I asked Gemini, otherwise I would have not found out the answer. So this was yesterday's problem, and today we will be going with the second one. Array, I should. Yes, did I reduce my size? Or no, I did not, right? I think it is good. Array. Wait a minute, chat. I think I, yes, now it's good. Wait a minute, chat. I think I, and then, by the way, this is the previous yesterday's question. Okay, so we today, here it is the second question of 900. We are given a string s of length n consisting of lower Latin letters. You are given a string s of length n, okay, consisting of lower case Latin letters and an integer k. You need to check if it is possible to remove exactly k characters from the characters from string just in such a way that the remaining characters can be rearranged to form a pan. Okay. Note that you can reorder the remaining characters in any way. In any way, you need to check if it is possible to remove exactly k characters given a string s of length n consisting of lowercase Latin letters and character k. You need to check if it is possible to remove exactly k characters from the string s in such a way that remaining, okay, we have to remove k characters, that is must, and remaining characters can be rearranged to form a palindrome. Note that you can reorder the remaining characters in any way. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forwards and backwards. For example, I got it. What is palindrome? Well, code forces and babies and okay. Is length or contains a string s of length and consisting of lower letters. Okay, we will be giving number the length, and we have to remove how many characters in that. Okay, yes, if the difference is 1 we can make it, and we have to count. If the difference is 1 we can do it, and even after making, we can rearrange it any way he told in the question, right? So we have to make it like a dictionary or something. In dictionary, like if we have to count a and we have to attach it to we have to count, if a is there we have to count how many number of a's are present in that, how many b's are present, and how many c's are present. So now we have to make it as a palindrome, right? Let's assume we are taking this test case. We can't make it because every character is different. Okay, in this 6 and 2, 6 and 2 is present, right? b a c a c d, we have to remove two characters. We will remove mm, b and d, and we can calculate ca ac or acca. This is how we can make it as a palindrome. Now how we can do that is what we have to think. Now uh, we have to count a, two a's are present, c and 1. We have to remove two integer two characters from that string, right? So we have to calculate something where we have to remove those two characters. 6 2. Now we have b a c b c a c d b a c a c d b a c a c d, right? We have b a c a c d, right? Now we have to count a, it is 2. We have to count c, which is 2 times, b is 1 time, and d is 1 time. How many we have to remove? Okay, we have to remove two characters, right? uh, if we remove these two, we can make from these, or if we remove, even if we have to remove in these only, because it is 1 and it is also 1, we can't make it from that. So we have to calculate something that if the given length is odd, if the given length is odd, and okay, let's assume 6 2, right? Have B A C A D, no, B A C A C D. Now if it was 1, what we can do, we have to remove 1, right? So either we'll remove D or either we'll remove B, in any of them. So what we'll get is, we can make it as A C, we let's consider we are removing D, like A C B A C. We can't do this. C A, we can do like this, or we can do C A B C A B A C. We can arrange like this. And yeah, these are the two ways where we can arrange them if it was given 1. And if it is B A C A C D, if we consider D and remove B, we can write it as A C D C A, or C A D A C. We can add, we can make it any 4 of them. So how we can calculate that we have to remove such an element? So for that, what we should do, that have to be, we have to think for that. Think the chemical. So we will count. A is 2, A is 2 for this, plus A is 2, and B is 1, and C is 2, and D is 1. Now it is given as 6 and 2. We have to remove 2 elements. There is something with even and odd count. Okay, the first case where we can do is, if the difference between both is less than 2 or equals 1, then we will just print yes. Just a minute, chat, just a minute. No, we will just print yes here. If not, what we will do is, so this is the first test case where we can, if 6 minus 2 equals 1, then we will print yes, we can print it. But the difference is not, if the difference is greater than 1, we have to think logic for it. uh, let's assume that now what we have is, okay, now we have 6 characters where they are repeating themselves, like A is repeating 2 times, C is repeating 2 times, B is 1, and D is 1. So we have to write a code like that where we can eliminate, or okay, if it is even, if it is even, uh, we have to remove the single characters present in that, single characters present in that. We have to count the single characters. uh, okay, it is even, right? Which one? Okay, now the second count, the k is 2 here, right? Now the k is 2, and if the single characters are uh, greater than, if the single characters, no, I mean, if the single characters are greater than the 2, then we will directly print no, because the single characters are, let's consider another another e is there in that, which is 1. Now there are three characters and we have to remove two characters. If we remove two characters, there will be one, right? ಅರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay, let's consider. Okay, well, we can do with this. Sorry, that's my fault. We can do with this test case also. But what if k equals 1 and our characters are greater than 1, which are 2? Now we have to remove array. Let's be 1, and now we have another character e. So we have three characters, right? We have three characters. Now we have to remove only one, but we have three characters which are single. Now even if we remove e, we will be having this. So we can't make it as a palindrome. If it is, what is present, n can be anything, n can be anything. We are comparing with it with k. If the single characters, if those single characters are if the single characters are present, and if the count of single characters are greater than the k, then we can't make palindrome. If the single characters are less than k, then we can make them palindrome. Let's take an example by our own, like uh, okay, let's take this itself. uh, A is 2 and C is 2, then let's assume we have B just 1 and K is 2, right? K is 2, right? D is also 1. We'll take it as, now K is no, the single characters are not greater than 2, because it is equals to 2, so we can remove both of them and make palindrome out of this. Now that's it, right? That's what the logic is, I guess. Let's test it for uh, the this test case. 7 comma 2, 7 comma 2 is present, right? For this we will, 7 comma 2 is present, and t a, am I coming too much forward for the camera? t a a g a k. Now t count is 1, a count is 2, no, a count is 3, and g count is 1, and k count is 1. What we will do is, uh, now our, I mean the alphabet k, now the k they have mentioned in their test case is 2. Now the single characters are 3, which is greater than 2, so it can't be palindrome. So what will be the answer? So this is the ninth one. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 no re baap re, 2 4 6 8 9, ninth one. We'll remove array. We can make, right? We can make it. So I think the logic we are applying is wrong, I guess. Okay, but we can't. Alright, a count is 4, guys. Sorry, a count is 4. Okay, okay. So we have to add another test case here. So another condition will be present here, I guess. Because let's take our first example, uh, which is 6 and 2, which will be BA, CA, CD, right? Now A count is 2, B count is 1, C count is 2, and D count is 1. Now the number of counts whose array, then that will be very irritating. Then it will be very irritating. It will be very irritating. Array, today it was wait a minute, chat. Okay, I thought today was contest. Okay, now uh, if these counts, which, but what if A is 3 or A is 4? So the count should be there must be even counts only, then only we can make it. Otherwise, there must be even counts only. Let's assume B A C A C A D is present. We have 7 and 2. Okay, now we have to remove two characters. Now A count is 3. Then definitely, if we were supposed to arrange only A's, then we have to place three A's in, like A. So one single A must be at the center. Then the odd counts should be only one. The odd count should be only one. Should only be one in the whole string. Like these are odd counts, right? Then we can, then he has given we can remove two of them. So we will remove both of them. We can make it. Now we have A3, C2, B1 and D1. Now he has given that we can remove any two of them, so we will remove both of them, and we can make, so we have to place one character of A in the center to make it as palindrome, because it is odd count, not a even count. So A and A will be present somewhere, but the one what single A should be present at the center. Now we can place C or C here, or A C can be placed like this to make it. Now I got it. To make it happen, we have to, okay, chat. What we will do now is, if we have, let's assume we have A count as 2, C count as 2 now, and no, let's assume it as 3. Let's assume it as 3, C count as 2, and B count as 1, and D count as 1. Now we are given 7 and 2. We have to remove two elements, but before that we have to count those single characters present in the string. After that, we have to check whether if it is greater than, if it is greater than the present k here, then we can't make it, we can't make it. And after that, if we pass that case, then we have to check that, we have to check the odd count characters is just one, the odd count character is just one, because odd count character is just one. First we have to check single characters, single characters, if they are greater than the single characters, if they are greater than, we can't make it, then we have to print it as no. And if we pass this test case, then we have to check the count of odd count characters. So a value, a value, uh what have to do then, a value, a value, so the key, so the value for a, if it is odd, then we have to count that, we have to count all the values. And if the values are in odd, we have to count them, so the odd count should be only one. If it is greater than one, then we have to print it as no. I think we have to do like this, we have to do like this, but we will then do that, we'll count, we'll go with coding part. Okay, a, a comma b, and we will take it as input. And now we are having we have to count the string, that we have to take it as uh, so I have to pair, right? So we can take in dictionaries here, we can take it in dictionaries. Wait, chat, no, it should be a set. Now we will be having just this side, no no no, wait, we should not. Now what I'll do is I have to count. Why it's showing wrong here? Read not have. Then after this we will get a set where it contains just uh, single count, no, just characters which are present in C for just for once. Now we have to count them, right? We have to count them. So should I make it as a set index pair? Should I make it? Just a minute, chat. Okay. So like we take in Python, right? So how can I take a dictionary? So I forgot. I know how to take it in Python, but there must be a syntax, different syntax, right? Acha. Okay, just like map, right? For map. Okay, I got it. Wait a minute, chat. What I'll do now is for character C, मनीक भाई yesterday मेरे इंटरव्यू हुई भाई 4 प्रो में दिया फिर भी सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ फ्लक्स ट्यूबर हो क्या आप भाई yesterday मेरे इंटरव्यू नाइस फोन नथिंग you can apply another one. Don't lose hope. You are far ahead of me, bro. You have to guide me. So how was the questions? Are they were they very difficult for you? Let me read whole. Yesterday मेरे इंटरव्यू हुई भाई 4 प्रॉब्लम में 2 सॉल्व कर दिए बट फिर भी सेलेक्ट नहीं हुआ बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था क्या भाई एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप कौन से ईयर में हो आप कौन से ईयर में हो आप सो चैट आई हैव डिड सम मिस्टेक हियर हैव टू बटरफ्लाई पैटर्न में फंस गया अच्छा नो लाइक क्वेश्चंस बहुत डिफिकल्ट थे क्या अरे मैं छोटी सी मैप में फंस जा रहा हूँ भाई अनऑर्डर्ड मैप okay we got a string we in current I am working अरे आप तो बहुत बड़े हो भाई मेरे से. I'm in my third sem, by the way. I'm in my third sem. Okay, we got it. We have a pair right now. For A, we will be having something roadmap. Okay. By the way, Money, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I know it might not help you, but it will help me. अच्छा ठीक है. We got to know what is. एक minute. Okay, okay. Uh, we will be counting the number of characters now. Uh, we'll just print out. Okay, thank you, bye. Thank you for being in the stream for auto. Frequency. What I'll do, I'm just checking it. Period of first or period of second. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll just check one, which is 6 comma 2, and B A C A C D. Okay, we are getting perfectly, we are getting it perfect. Now we have to count it. No, we already counted it, right? Now we have to count these single characters, the count of uh, single characters. If they are greater than one, we can't do that, we can't print it, so we can't make them palindrome. If they are if they are less or equals to just a minute, chat, just a minute. Okay, if they are less, then we can make it. And then even after checking that if they are less than or greater than, we have to check uh, what we say that we have to check the odd count of the characters. Okay, we'll start with that. uh, I think I have to remove this. We got how it is counting now. Let's assume we'll just count the single characters as 0. Single character is 0. Now we'll just count it for auto auto val value in frequency. What I'll do is, if val dot second is 1, I'll increase the single character frequency by 1. uh, no, I don't want to print now. We can do that. If what if the single characters are 0, but must we have to delete them, right? They have not mentioned that there will be single characters. They have not mentioned that there will be only double character, or there might be no single character, only. Okay, okay, we'll try this first. After that we can check that test case that is coming in my mind. I will tell that afterwards. Before we will try this. Okay, now we counted for single characters present in that. what we will do now is what we will do. Okay, okay, okay. I got distracted. Evet, yeah, we got a single characters. If uh, single character is greater than uh, what is the input that we have took B, then C out no. Yes. Okay. If single character is not, then what we'll do is now we have to check the odd count. The odd count. Odd char 0. Now what we will go with this is S. Val in frequency. Mode 2 is 0 odd character. Okay. Int y. Okay. If odd character is less than or equals to 1, then C out. Yes, this is what I was telling there. Okay, this is what we should code, I guess. What we are doing now, I will tell you, chat. What I am doing now is, can I shift this? No, I can't. What I am doing now is, I am just, what I am doing now is, I am taking this B, A, C, A, C, D is present, right? So now what I am doing is, by this, I am checking that count of A is 2, count of C is 2, count of B is 1, and count of D is 1. And for here we got this, and for this is, for this, no, what it is doing is it is counting the single count characters, and we are increasing the single character frequency by 1 whenever we found it. And now we are checking, we have 7 and 2, right? We are comparing these count with the k, it is called k, they have mentioned in the question. If these value, we have 2 here, if this value is greater than k, then we can't make it palindrome. If it is less than or equals to, we can. So that's what I am doing here. If the single character is greater than, we can't, we'll just print out no, and we will just come out. And if it is not, if it is either equals or less than b, what we'll do is we'll go for the odd count, odd character. Odd character means, what if it is 3? We have to, then the odd count character should be only one in the palindrome, should be only one in the palindrome, because if it is more, then it will destroy the palindrome. So we'll check, it should be only one or less than, it should be only one or less than one, then we'll print yes or no. Now if okay, this should work now, this should work. I know, I hope it should not fail in the first state itself. Imprint ಆದಿಲ್ಲ. Array, I did not save it. It failed in the first test case itself. Wait a minute, chat. No, I was just checking whether my mom is calling or what. Okay, there is something error that we have to fix it. Okay, let's take our example. We are getting, it's okay, we have to fix it, but CACD, right? No, we can make it. Hmm, wait a minute, chat. Have to go through the code. We have counted it perfectly. Then the error should be in this code where I have written single character is 0 for auto val in frequency val dot second equals 1, then single character should increase by 1. Okay, I'll check single character. Uh, Single character is 1, chat, but it should be what if I take it here, where uh 1 6 BACABD. It's still printing, but it should be why it is printing. Hello, what's up? I Abhinav. Welcome to the stream. If you are new, please consider subscribing, bro. Mhm. Why the single character count is printing zero? I should figure it out. Pair dot second. I think it is not going inside the if condition itself. Mm, okay. Okay. Then chat. Before this, I have to wait a minute. I have to check it whether I am printing it right or not. Red. Wait, then what did I take there? Okay, it should work now. Single character should be increased. Arrays key. I Anish. Anish, you are the first person, I hope, in the beginning, right? I was eagerly waiting for your message, bro. Yes, you are the one who suggested me CP-31, right? Now, Anish, I have finished the 800 one, and I'm doing 900 treated problems, and thanks to you, I want to ask it why is the single car is not, whether I did the input problem? No, I did not. Yes, thanks, bro. Okay, zero in automobile entered. The input scene failed. Input primary isn't. अरे कितना बकवास दे वे. Sorry chat, sorry. I was doing the input wrong, then that's why it's not coming, right? Yes, now I'm getting chat. Now I'm getting. Okay. uh, it should work now, it should work. One. Okay. 6 2 B A C A C D. 2 and no. Why? 2 and no. 2 and no. The count is okay. It's counting it. 2 if single character is greater than B. Is it greater than B? No. Then it is going for the below in int odd character. I should print here odd character, I guess, to see what is odd character is getting. Chat, I know I am taking a lot of time, but I am debugging it and then solving the problem. Okay, odd characters. Odd characters, okay, odd characters one. If okay. Okay, then we have not removed them. Then we have not removed them. And let's consider pair dot second should be greater than 1. then only it is, then one is also single character, right? Then it will be considered for the it also for odd count. Then we should not count the odd character for one. ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ ಹಾ 6 2 and BACACD. What did I say? We got our output, chat. We got our output. We will remove this line. We will remove this line. Then we will check. We will check. Where's the input? 14, right? Yes. 190. A. Okay. We will check the input for what we have coded this, which is array. What are wrong input? Okay, 6 and 2, right? BACACD. Yes, we are getting 6 and 2, 6 and 2. Uh, FAG, FAG, BZA. No, we have to get no. 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Yes, we are getting it, but we have to code it for just one. Just one. Okay, let's check for the second one, which is BA. Okay, it is okay. We are getting right for that. We'll check for 2 and 1. BA. Getting over that. Okay, we have a problem now, chat. We're having a problem now. The second test case, we are getting it correct because for the code that we have written. But the third test case is giving it no because it is uh, going under the frequency. It is correct. The single counts are 2 here and it's just 1, so it is going in the else, and it is counting for odd characters. So if the odd characters, so is odd character, yes, then that's why it is printing no. Now what we have to do is, what if it was ABC and ABC and 1. Array, chat, again the issue of the power has gone, chat. The power has gone. This is everyday's problem. Then if it happens like this, then I can't code like this, right? Yesterday when I ended the chat, when I ended the stream, right, the power came at 12 a.m. At 12 a.m. it came. Okay, we will finish this. I thought to solve some 3 to 4 questions. It is 100% now. 29 minutes. Currently by the whole sleep. If I go to hostel, there will be no problem for power cut, but it's okay. So it is from 2 days he is taking the power. Okay, chat. Then we have to fix our code from here. Let's check for a hint. How many hot frequencies characters have just one. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay, we are very close, chat. The hint says we will remove this, and we will remove this, and odd character odd characters are greater than b plus. That's what he is saying. Yes, right? We came pretty close, chat, but we just a minute, chat. But it should print yes, right? Okay, check if it exceeds ak plus 1. No. Then okay. Array. Yes. Yes, I think it 1883B, 1883B. It should get submitted. Yes, we officially solved this question without asking Gemini. But in what? But that's why as a catch there, I was not able to do it in what unordered map. So the unordered map should be practiced by me. Like a lot more questions should be done for unordered map by me because I am unable to code it by myself. So I have to figure it out. And also we did only one problem today. I thought I can solve. I started the stream very early, right? I thought I can solve uh, a lot of problems today, but still the power went. I will wait till the battery reaches 50%. Or it was 78. Hello Panther, welcome to the stream. Current ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ರೆ ಅವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವನ. I am in my hometown, Panther. So that's why I am not able to get ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನಿಂತ್ರ ತೆಗಿಯಾಕತ್ತ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವ್ಸ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಾನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರೋಗ ಹತ್ತೈತೆ ಅವಂಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿಲಿಂತ್ರ ತೆಗಿಯಾಕತ್ತಾನ ಅವನು ಮಗ. ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಚಿಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ನೀರು ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಈಗರ 78 ಇತ್ತು 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್? Codeforces is a platform where you can practice competitive programming and you can improve your coding skills. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗರ 73% ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ 72% ಆತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಸಟ್ಟ ಸಟ್ 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 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡ್ದಂಗೆ. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್. ನೋ ಬ್ರೋ, ಲೈಕ್ we are if you are from, I am from commerce background. Okay, you are from commerce background. So if you are in computer science or in computer science btech, or you are doing bca, right? So you'll be having some course like c++ and this what we call another languages, right, where you can practice dsa and competitive programming. So there will be some problems based on maths and basically on mathematics. We have to figure out some solutions, and we have to implement them in coding, in code, in any languages we want, so that we can get selected in a better company. So that's why we do it. 69 percentage, 68 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುಂಟೈತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುಂಟೈತೆ. ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾ 50 ಬರತ್ತಿ. ಓ ಬಂತ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತ್. ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. No bro, I am in Davangere. By the way, it doesn't matter you are from commerce background. It doesn't take anything to just subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It might not help you, it will help me. Current ಬಂತ್ ಪಾದ್ಯವ್ರು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತ್ಲಿ. Okay chat, we have finished the second problem. Mathematics. Nice name. Okay, we are going with our second problem of today and the third problem of 900. It's okay. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೈತಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಕೇವಿದವಂಗ. ACA and Millovan, two fellow competitive programmers, decided to give Vasilije a problem to decide to give Vasilije a problem to test his skills. Vasilije is given three positive integers n, k, and x, and he has to determine if he can choose k distinct integers between 1 and n such that their sum is equals to x. Silije is given three positive integers n, k, and x. Hello, ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀರು ಕೂಡ AC and below one, two fellow competitive programmers decided to village a problem to test his skills. Which is given three personal. They made an app where you can play math games and they offer internships and jobs also and give rewards like teacher today and cash. Acha, wait a minute. What did he say something? What are you talking about, bro? Mathematics? They made an app. Which app? Specialized is now in the biggest city in Serbia. Where is he? Yes, Panther, tell. You were asking something. Panther is given three positive integers n, k, and x, and he has to determine if he can choose x distinct integers. Oh, oh. Ray, I hope. Acha, you are from this channel. Chat, give me a second. I turned off the fan there. I have to turn it off. It has stuck there. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'm back. So mathematics, bro, you are an app or something? You are a manager of app or something? Or what? You made your own app? Matix app, I have heard of it. Vasilije is given three integers n, k, and x, and he has to determine if he can choose k distinct integers between 1 and n such that the sum is equal to x. Since village is now in the biggest city, Serbia, where AC and Milova live, ಯಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಲೇಪ ಇವ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಸೊ ಹಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಓ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ 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 ಅದು ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಹುಚ್ಚು ಹಿಡ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡು ಬಾಯ್ 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 watch time it hoga nahi, chalo it hoga. The problem seems weird to him, so he needs your help with this problem. Okay, so just like Matix app, right? I have heard of Matix app, just like that, right? Problem seems weird to him, so he needs your help with this problem. Okay, nice, bro. You are the creator and you won the latest event. Nice, nice. The creator itself won the latest event. Once I will play it, okay? It's there in YouTube. It's there. Is it in Play Store or something like that? Is now the weirdest city in the okay. 1 to n such that the sum is equals to x. N k x. He can choose k distinct integers between 1 and n such that the sum is equal to x. Okay. N ಕೊಟ್ಟನವ 3 integers choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಅದರ sum 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So is it possible or not? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Acha. So so what is the app like? What you are trying to tell? Creator of video, I did not got it. So you made a creator. So you created that video. Okay. I'm not getting it. Matix bro. I'm not getting it. Like, is there any app that you created like Matix? Or you are telling about Matix? I'm getting confused here. So it should the sum should be exactly x. 3 integers. No, we can't. So what we have to do is it can be shown that no three numbers whose sum is 3. The first test case n is 5, 5 whose sum is 10, 5, no 7 plus 3 10. Okay. In the second test case, it is just 1, no. So we have to check like and then take a sum of check it. Really, then it will be very just a minute chat. Just a minute chat. I Sorry for the interruption. I went there. My mom was calling. Okay, we are back. So now what we have to do is, sorry for the interruption. I went there. Okay, I have to check a number. Now I have to check a number. Like we have 5 now, and 3 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have to choose any three numbers. Any three numbers, right? This, and this will get there. But how will I choose that? First, I will take 10. So about this problem, you are talking about this problem, right? If you are talking about this problem, uh, I hope you are asking about this problem. If yes, then I will just start with it. Ray, hang up. Chat, my stream has no, the it's not moving. Okay, now I got it. So in this problem, what I am doing now is, so he has given us uh, n, k, and x. So we are given n, right? So we'll take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 1 to n, we have to choose three problems that will get us to the sum 10. If we can do that, we have to print yes, else we have to print no. So what I am trying to do now is, we have to figure out how we have to choose the numbers. Now what I am thinking is, I will take 10 and subtract the last digit, which is 5, uh, which will be 5 again. If this n, so it is n, right? No, it is n minus 1 for the index. I'm talking about index. So this will be n minus 1 index. We have to now check here if this is present in this array. If not, then if not then we have to choose this one. Okay, then we can also take 1, 4, and 5, right? These can make it. So if we are subtracting the last index, then definitely it will be not present in that. Then we have to take the we'll get 5, right? Then we have to subtract from the second last index, then we'll get 1. So this is what we will get. How to choose like this, I guess. So I'm figuring out what pattern that I am getting here. Let's take for 10, 10, and 55. Okay. So the sum from 1 to 10 will be 55 itself, right? We can do that. And okay, then we can do it like this also, right? If it is even, if it is even, uh, if it is even, array, I'm taking a long time for it. 6, 5, and 20. This is given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20 minus 6 will be 14, and 14 minus 5 will be 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5. 5 minus 3 will be 2, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. We can take it. This is fourth, and we can take it. By the end, we have to reach either 0 or, yes, we have to reach 0. We have to reach 0. That's our, then we will take another example, which is 9, 6 will leads to 40. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now 40 minus 9 will leads to 31. So the 31 minus 8 will leads to, wait a second, I'll take it. Array ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ತದೆ. Okay, 31 minus 8 will lead to 23, right? 23 plus 8 31 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Now 23 minus 7 will lead to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ 16 ಅಲ್ಲ, 16. ಅರ್ರಿ ಬಾಪ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 16 minus 5 will lead to 11. 11 minus 4 will lead to just 7. 7. 7 minus 3 will lead to 4, and 4 minus 2 will lead to 1. Okay, we have to subtract like this if we are getting array. If we are getting 0, then we can. If we are not getting 0, then we can't. Let's assume we will take 9, 8, 7. These are four top, right? This is 9, 15. No, we can't reach 40. Array, it is simple, I guess. It is simple, I guess. We have to just subtract from the last index. If we get 0, then we can print it. If we can't, then we can't. If we get 0, I'm telling, if we get 0, then we can. Acha. We are getting int n comma k comma x, right? We will take it as n, k and x as our input. Now what we'll do is, we will take for I in range, for j in range of from n till 1, till 1 we will subtract it. So we will count, uh, x is there. Okay, now for int j equals n, we'll start from n and we will end is, if j should be uh, greater than equals to 1 and j minus minus, it's perfect. If no, just subtract it, just subtract it. If uh, x equals 0, we will see out yes, break, else x minus equals j. Array. However, that will end the loop, right? But if it doesn't, array, I think it should work, chat. 10, right? Array in 3 moves, Ray, in 3 moves. I have completely gone to the different way what the question is asking. I have done very wrong here. I have done very wrong. I have completely ignored the k. I have completely ignored the k here. Why did I do that? अरे K numbers भाई. I'll remove this and K minus minus. Array. Now if wait a minute. Yes, it's correct. Then I should remove this. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆಪ್ಪ ನಾನು k equals 0 and x is greater than equals 1. If k equals 0, and x, that's it. That's the same thing, right? It can be minus, it can be minus. We don't know that. 5, 3, 10. No, why it should print as 5? Should print as. Let's check for our problem. I'm doing it very, very wrong. But I should print as. Let's check for our problem. Wait a minute. And I have to check for hint now because I have done it very wrong. What are the smallest and largest possible sums? Smallest possible sum is always 1, and the largest possible sum is all the numbers including it. If the number is in between, then we can do it, right? Is that what you are saying? Largest sum numbers. K smallest and K largest numbers. Calculate sums of K smallest. What is the smallest and largest possible sums? What is the smallest and largest possible sums? Let's consider. 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smallest sum is 3 and the largest sum is Array, smallest sum and the largest sum. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the smallest sum will be 3 and the largest sum will be uh, 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So the hint is present in that itself. Now it is 9 and 3, 12 and 3, 12 and 3, 12 and 3. Is it in between 3 and 12? If it is there, then we should print it. I don't know, we'll see for the second one. And 5 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same for it. And we have to choose array smallest sum for 3 digits, right? So it is 6 and 12, 6 and 12. It is between 6 and, okay, three numbers we have to choose. It is 6 and 12. Again, it is not in between them. We'll check it then. If we got a hint, then why should we waste it? ಇದು ನಾಯಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. अच्छा. For anyway. Now we got it. We got our input. Now we have for the smallest, right? Smallest equals and 0 again. Now we have 6 numbers. No, it should not be x. No, no, no. Idun ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತೆ chat. 1 second. 1 second chat. I have to shut that down. Yes. Have turned down that. Okay. Okay. Smallest and largest, right? For int j equals 0, j less than not 10 but 3, right? Okay. Oh, it's correct. What is b index n minus j minus 1? So n is 5. So n is 5. 5 minus j is 0. 0 minus 1 is 4. The fourth index will be 5. It's correct. Till j will be 2. 2. Okay, 2. We'll take in the first and 2. 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Till the second index. So second index will be added. Will be added. Okay. Now we are comparing it. We are comparing it, right? If it is between the smallest and the largest, we have to print it. Else, no. Yes. 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 I mean, it's no, but the answer is correct. Yes. 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 Now the answer should be no. Yes. Let's submit it, chat. 1878 C. 1878 C. I hope it gets submitted. Otherwise, another half an hour will be wasted. Okay, okay, okay. Re sabba no 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 ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. Re long long bhai long long bhai long long bhai. Sorry chat, I should take it as long long long. 1878 C, right? I hope it gets submitted. Oh, time limit exceed आता है ना. For loop I guess. Yes, for loop I guess. Have to then then I have to take it as a long long again. One eight seven eight C. अरे भाई सबमिट हो जा भाई. Then I have to use the function accumulate I guess. I have to use the function accumulate I guess. ಅರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಮೂನೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗ. The inputs are very long. We are getting right output, but the inputs are so huge that time limit exceeded we are getting. Okay, so it's exceeding 1 second, right? If I use accumulate, it will give sum only, but n all over testing. Should I use that? Should I use that? I think I should. No, I mean, okay. smallest equals to accumulate b dot begin of k b dot k. Okay, till here itself, right? Minus k. Acha, there was a function that now is it okay? Ah, now it's running, I guess. So accumulate function should run because we can remove the for loop instead of that, but it should take the same time complexity, right? I hope it runs. Otherwise, I have to. No, it will not run. I guess it will not run. Ah, it will not run. Ray, what then? What should I use then for this? Wait a minute. Oh, compute the minimum sum as k of k plus 1 by 2 and the maximum sum as sum of top k numbers. So this is where I we can save our time complexity. So time, like we can make it okay. So minimum sum I will fix it here itself as k of k plus k into k plus 1 by 2, right? Oh, by the formula we can do that. Okay, 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 okay. Till k for that formula is k of k plus 1 by 2, right? Now n of n plus 2 whole sum minus k of k plus 1 by 2, it's doing is doing that itself, right? Minus n minus k. So we are getting k of k plus 1 by 2 as some sum, and the total sum we have to subtract this. No, we have to subtract this from the total sum. We can use n of n plus 1 by 2, right? Now minus, welcome trader bro, welcome. We can what I have to do now here is uh, instead of writing this, I will try my own first. Otherwise then we'll go with this formula itself. Instead of writing this, n of n minus 1 by 2 is okay, okay, minus, we can just write smallest, right? I hope this does not fail. If it fails, I'll go with that formula itself, because I will try it once. I'll try it once. 187 see. You should change. Yes, I'm trying. I might be wrong. Yes, I'm trying it. Ah, then I should change it. I should change it. I should change. Now I got it. but why it is wrong? So k of k plus 1 by 2 will gives from starting till k sum, right? But for the largest sum, it will be the total sum minus the smallest. We have to subtract the smallest sum, we will get the largest sum, right? We'll get that only, right? We'll get the total sum, and then we can subtract the smallest sum from that, then we'll get the largest sum. I'm doing that only, but why we are not getting that? Wait, I'll try for one test case. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm just checking it. Ray 5. ನಾ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 5 3 10 okay. 6 and 9. Okay, 6 and 9. 6 here and 9 here, but 1 2 3 4 5, right? So 6 and okay, we have to include 3, right? What if I submit this then? 1878C. I hope this works. Hope this works. अरे हट रे भाई. Oh yeah. Sorry chat. I'm very stupid. What did I submit here? What did I submit here? I submitted the this also. The smallest and the largest output also I submitted. Oh, 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 oh. ये आउटपुट बना देता पाए. Sorry chat. I have to change the formula here. N minus k minus. So how did this came? N minus k na. So let's check n minus 1. It is 3 k 2 5, right? N minus is it is 3, and n is 5, k is 3, 2 into what is n minus k plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. So it is 3, and no, it is 2 into 4. No, for a 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Array n minus it is 3. Answer 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 2 ಇದು 1 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. n 5 5 plus 1 6 by 2 3 15 15 ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಾ 5 4 9 9 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 1 6 6 6 plus 4 10 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 15 minus 2 15 minus 2 13 ಆಗತ್ಲೇ. The largest sum. अरे chat ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ತಪ್ಪು ಅನ್ಸಾದೈತಿ ಯಾಕೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೆ 6 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 6 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ n is 5, 5 plus 1 6, 3, 15 minus n is 5, k is 3, 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 will be 1. ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಹಿಡಿತೇನೆ, 2 ಹಿಡಿ, 2 into 2 ಭಾಳ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 into 2 2ನ ಹಿಡಿ 13, ಇದು 15 minus 2 13 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 13 ಇದು 3 ಆಗತ್ತಲೆ, n minus k ಏನಾಗತ್ತಲೆ 3ಲೇ, n minus is 2ಲೇ, 2 into n is 5 minus 1 k is 3, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, 3 by 2 ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 into 2 2 15 ಯಬ್ಬಾ ನನಗೆ ತ್ರಾಸಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ ಮುಗಿತ್ನಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಂದಿ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೈಸ್. No, I have to remove this. 1878C. I hope it gets submitted. अभी फार्मूला डाला है भाई, तू रन हो जा. I have not entered the formula. Oh boy, it entered. अरे नंबर ले वो वा ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೈತ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ತ್ರಾಸ. For this code, what should I change? Hi trader bro, if you are still there. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗತೈತಿ, ಹೊಡ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ. ಅದಂತೀನಿ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ತೆಗೀದು ಹೊಲ್ಸ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲೂಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್. how many times the loop is running a baba baba baba. No use of that loop then. See how fast it got accepted. Thank you. Okay, we got submitted. We know our problem is submitted, chat. I want to see whether I want to just want to see for this problem. उड़ता तीर लेना चाहता हूँ मैं भी. One right. 5 3 10. I got it. Simply I wrote that code. That was nothing for that. I was saying this only before I was submitting. I simply I wrote that for loop. Then we'll submit it once. We'll submit it. What's wrong? Arey, that's my problem, chat. This is my problem. This is my problem. I don't see it. I just submit it. थोड़ा देखना चाहिए भाई मेरे को. How many times I have submitted like this only, right? Hey, hut रे. Hut. We have submitted. I don't care. We have to then just look at this. Look at this. N minus k. The largest and the smallest. I have to focus on this then. To get the largest number, the largest sum and the smallest sum. Okay. I have to write all these ones where I'll get. Yes. Today we almost solved. What almost? We solved two problems. We solved two problems. Yes, chat. We have submitted. We have solved two questions today, and we will move to the sixth question tomorrow, I guess, because it's already a lot of time. More than 2 hours have been passed, I guess. To the sixth question tomorrow, I guess, because it's already a lot of time. More than 2 hours have been passed, I guess. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll end this chat today, and we will come back with the brand new stream tomorrow where we'll solve sixth, seventh, eighth. By the way, the 900 rating problems are taking a lot of time, hell lot of time. In this time period, we would have solved at least 4 to 5 questions of 800, I guess. But we solved only two questions today. That took a lot of time to understand to figure out the pattern in the question. So tomorrow what we'll do, we will solve again like we do. So we will, I think it's time to end the stream. We will end the stream now. So yeah, if you're watching for the first time, please consider subscribing. It means a lot. And